Alright, y'all, throw this one back. I wasn't recording y'all, but the rest of the fish went back too, except the catfish. We kept that one sitting right there.
Then you caught one too.
Yes, sir. I caught one. Let's get it. Oh.
Make sure you don't.
He dropped it. Oh no, he got it. He got it. He got it. Oh, yep. Good one. Yes, sir. Hooked up, y'all. Oh yeah. Slab. Oh yeah. Oh. Yes, sir. He coming in. Sorry, y'all. Trying to make this work. Oh, yeah, it's a good one, Elias. Jeez. Yeah. It's not huge. No, I can lift this one.
You yoink him?
Yep, yoink him.
Oh yeah.
Yes, sir. Let's get it. On the board.
I left my drag so loose, bro.
I think it just hit high tide, probably.
Yeah. It's like, it's 5:41.
Dang.
The bite, bro, all our rods just said doosh, doosh.
Not for real.
Doosh, doosh.
Going back.
Evan, I ain't gonna lie, bro. That drop fought so hard.
Bro, I told you, them and the bigger they get, bro, the harder they fight, bro.
I got a scale, bro. I'm at a win.
I say that John's like 15, maybe 12, 15.
He's pretty long though.
Catfish, maybe their stomach that make them fat. That John kind of skinny.
Already?
Yep. Oh, he dropped it. Oh no, he got it. He still got it. Oh, he let it go. How long was slack, bro? Come on, yo. Perch. Like, you caught all three species. No, three species in one go. First there was the rockfish, and then as soon as you cast it back out, there was the redfish, and then as you, all three fish was in the same, like, 3 casts. As he was winding up the redfish and catfish bit.
Bro, that rockfish, bro, that don't hit it hard.
I said, bro, I think that's a rockfish, bro. That was not fighting like no perch.
That's what I was scared of this entire time.
Oh, got it.
Got one?
Yep. What is it? Oh, it's a perch. You hit that thing hard.
Oh, yes, yes.
Got it out? You might want to retire.
Yes, bro. He said I better retire.
Yeah.
Bro, thank God.
Oh, Elias, you're right. You're right. You're right. Yep, you're right. Bro, I was literally like, bro, no, I'm not touching it. Got it?
No, I don't know if I got him anymore.
Dang.
Damn, that was so fast.
Yeah. I think you're casting like a deep pocket or something over there.
I had him.
Yeah. Get everything.
Hurry up, shorty.
Alright, y'all, going back. Nice one. See ya.
Got it, got him. Yep. Go.
Oh, yep. My bad. Step on your rock.
Oh. He's going nuts.
Oh, it came off. Oh no, he's swimming at me. He's swimming at me. Swimming at me. Swimming at me. Sorry, it's another good one. Look at him wake. Bro, why is it so heavy? This fish is fast. So, I feel like this gonna break. Another good cat. Yes, sir. Let's get it. Oh, I see it. Look, that's a big one. That was a big one. You see the wake out there? Please tell me, just wind it. You still have it?
No.
Bro, that is a monster, bro. He still got it. You see the line dancing? What? Yeah, he still got it. Your line's loose. See him tugging? That's a big bait. Nah, you don't got it. I feel like we gotta wait like a long time, especially for yours. Got another one, y'all. Oh yeah, he got it. He running. Oh wait. All right, go. Think he got it still?